Welcome to day one of our baby nursery renovation at 33 weeks pregnant. I'm starting off by hanging the wallpaper, and this is something I've never done before, but it looks easy enough, so let's give it a go. I plan to add these wall panels along the bottom, so I'm just marking off where I need to end the wallpaper. And in case you're wondering what pregnancy sounds like, now you know. Anyways, everything started off fine. I used my laser level to install the first piece, rolled the adhesive, and then got the wallpaper in place. But things took a turn for the worse when I realized that my cutting blade wasn't sharp enough and it kept ripping my wallpaper.
The f is this?
I wanted to believe things would get better, but sadly, they did not. I threw a big hormonal hissy fit and took an hour break. I came back with a better attitude and decided I was going to buy a new blade and cut those pieces later. Aside from the cutting fiasco and my meltdown, everything was smooth sailing from there, and wallpapering was pretty easy. Ryan decided to take me on a date to cheer me up, and this is as far as I got. So like and follow for the next part and more renovations.